Hi, hello everyone. This is Chakit from VAC Global Education. In this video, we are going to discuss about the right time to apply for September 24 intake. I know this is quite far, but the time you will understand the whole timeline, you will say, "Oh shit, I'm late or not." So we are going to discuss about that in detail. So watch this video till the end so that you don't miss out the opportunity to apply for September 24 intake. So first thing first, the first step is that you need to get your documents right. What are the documents which you require in order to apply for the September 24 intake? The first document in the list is your 10th mark sheet, then your 12th. If you are a graduate, then you would need your graduate mark sheet with your transcripts. Also, if you're a graduate, you would need your backlog certificate in order to make sure that how many backlogs did you have. So what are the backlogs? There is a different video which I've done separately. You can check that one out so that you would know exactly how many backlogs are accepted in what all colleges. And apart from that, you would need your CV, passport, and your work experience documents if you have done any sort of work, be it internship or be it a full time job. Once you have all these documents ready, then you need to look for what colleges will accept your profile. So, colleges have their entry requirement in terms of how much percentage you have, what is your IELTS score, and how many backlogs did you have, what is the academic gap you have got since you have done your graduation, and your the future subject what you are going to study. So you need to make sure that your gap should not be more than 5 years if you are applying for Humber, Seneca, George Brown, Fenshaw, Centennial, all these colleges, even Lambton, they don't take more than 5 years of study gap. So that is one thing. Second thing is, what you need to consider is that for UG you would require at least 6 bands each. There are few programs in which you can apply with 5.5 in one or two modules also, but the maximum college accepts 6 bands each, and for PG you require 6.5, not band less than 6. So these are the basic requirement what you need to cover while you are applying for the September 24 intake. Now, when is the right time? So if you have started your IELTS preparation as of yet, kudos to you. That's a great step what you have taken, because IELTS will be the first step. So first step is that you collect all your documents. Second is that your IELTS should be ready. So generally the IELTS preparation take 1.5 month for the students to prepare. Once you have done with your IELTS, then if you have taken the paper based exam, then your results will come in 13 days. If you have taken the computer based exam, your result will come in 5 days. And once your IELTS is ready, you are good to go with your backlog certificate. So remember the backlog certificate. If you are a PG student, you are aspiring to do a postgraduate diploma from Canada. Now, what is the next step? Next step is finding a right consultant who can give you the best shortlisting for the right course in which you have the highest probability of getting the visa. Because from September 24 there would be a change in the requirements from the colleges in terms of the immigration is going to categorize them into the quality education provider. So you need to make sure that you are applying to a college where you have the maximum chances of getting the visa as per your profile. So the counselor should be able to understand how much percentage you have, how much gap you have, what is your IELTS score, which college it will give you the relevant course, and what is the categorization of the college. So these are the basic thing what you need to make sure in your shortlisting which should be present. Next is getting the offer letter. So generally when you apply for the colleges take roughly around 1.5 month to give you the offer letter. There are colleges which gives you offer letter within a week also, but generally the timeline is about a month. So let's suppose you have just started your preparation for your study abroad. Now the first thing what you'll do is you'll prepare for the IELTS, which will take you 1.5 month. Then the result will come, and then you will submit the application. So let's say we are starting off in December. The whole December goes in IELTS preparation. Then you will submit your application in January. Your offer letter will come in February. Now in February, if you are applying for an education loan, that would take another 15-20 days up to a month to process. If your CIBIL is okay, if you're taking a secured loan or an unsecured loan, depending upon that, it will take you about a month. Then you would need to take your In the meanwhile, on your offer letter, there will be a date mentioned where within which you would have to make a tuition deposit. So that tuition deposit is, for example, I'll take the example of Conestoga College. Conestoga College asks you to pay at least 1,500 Canadian dollars to secure your seat, and the rest of the amount you can pay later on also. So you need to pay that amount. The fee receipt will come in 3 to 4 days, and your admission will be confirmed that you have made the initial payment towards getting the seat secured in Conestoga College. And then once you'll do the tuition deposit, that's when you get the seat confirmation. And once the seat confirmation you have got, then you need to appear for a medical test. You need to get your other documents prepared in order to apply for the visa. Now, what are the other documents which you need to prepare is your funds. So if you are applying for a 2 years program, first year fees you can pay under SDS. You'll pay the GIC amount, which is 10,200 Canadian dollars, and then additional funds you can show to satisfy immigration that you have enough funds to take care of your entire education. So that your visa probability will be high in order to get the visa. Then your SOP, statement of purpose. So that is one crucial document which you need to submit with your application. The SOP is the mirror image of your profile. There are 6-7 steps what you need to cover in the SOP. First is your introduction, your name, which college you're going, which program you have preferred, and why you have chosen this course, just in a list. Then you need to give them the family background, what your father does, mother does, your siblings, all those things. Then why you have chosen this course, why you have chosen this college, why you have chosen this country, what are the skills what you're going to get from this particular course, and how this is going to help you get a better job in India once you'll come back. And lastly, you need to write the conclusion. So it's a storytelling what you need to do in your SOP, so that visa officer understand that why you have made this decision of studying abroad. And once everything is ready, then you file your visa. So generally, the visa uh, response comes within a month and a half. There are few times where it has happened that the visa come within 10 days also, and then there are times where the visa come in more than 2 months also. So you need to be prepared so that you have ample of time that your visa will get processed before the intake date starts. And then you would be able to do the registration for your classes, and then you will be able to book the tickets, and then you can fly. So this is the whole timeline how the process looks like when you apply for September 24 intake from now. So ideally you should be able to file your visa by the end of the May and June first week. So June and July should be your time where you should be waiting for your visa to come, because in August you would be booking your tickets, and by the end of the August you will be flying to Canada. So this is how you need to imagine your timeline. I'm sure there must be other questions regarding this whole process which you will have in your mind, which you can ask in the comment section. Also, if you want to apply with us, there is a link given in the description through which you guys can connect with us, and we can help you with the entire process. The whole process is so smooth, so easy, that we'll be able to connect with you. We'll guide you step by step at each process. We'll help you open the GIC account. We'll help you prepare the documents for your application for the offer letter. We'll help you deposit the fees. We will help you write your SOP. We will help you arranging the documents, backlog certificate. You need the sample. We have everything. We have helped thousands of students in past 3 years since we have started this YouTube channel. So if you want us to help you, we are just a click away. The link is in the description. You can click that link, get in touch with us, and we'll make sure that you reach Canada for your coming September 24 intake. So if you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to VAC if you have not already. And we shall see you in the next one. Till then, you guys take care of yourself. Bye bye.